my dear student. Today I start exercise 3.6, which is based on solving pair of linear equation by reducing them. Okay, it means first we reduce this equation into linear equation, then solve it. So I am Vipul Jain, your maths teacher. So now I start exercise 3.6. Question first: solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. It means first we solve into linear equation. Okay, so our question number first is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equal 13 upon 6. So here we see these two equation. Here 1 upon x and 1 upon y is common. Okay, so first I let 1 upon x equal what? A, and 1 upon y equal b. Now you also take 1 upon x equal u and 1 upon y equal v. Okay, so now I take this 1 upon x equal a and 1 upon y equal b. Now I put 1 upon x equal, place of 1 upon x is equal a. It means a upon 2. Okay, 2 is denominator. Similarly here 1 upon y is b, so 3 in denominator equal 2. Here 1 upon x is a, so a upon 3, 1 upon y is b, so b upon 2 equal 13 upon 6. So first we solve this equation and convert into linear equation. So now we take LCM of 2 and 3, we get 6, so it's become 3a plus 2b upon 6 equal 2. So 3a plus 2b equals 6 2s are 12. This is our equation number first. Now similarly here, now LCM of 3 and 2 we get 6, so it's become 2a plus 3b equal 13 upon 6. So 6 to 6 cancel out, simple your equation is 2a plus 3b equal 13. This is our equation 2. Now here not say solve this two equation by any method, so we use more simply elimination method, because elimination method is very easy for us. So elimination method is what we study in 3.4. Elimination, cross multiplication are not study in this session, because this is deleted for your syllabus for session 2020-21. So now we direct, so we don't do exercise 3.5. 3.5 exercise is based on cross multiplication method. Okay, say cross multiplication method, so we don't do because it is deleted from our syllabus. So now what we do, we use by elimination method, we make coefficient of a. Here x, place of x is what? A, so we make coefficient of a is same, so we multiply 2 in this equation and 3 by 3 in this equation. So this equation becomes 6a plus 4b equal 24 and 6a plus 9b equal 39. We change symbol, we get 6a minus 6a is 0, 4b minus 9b we get minus 5b, 24 minus 39 we get minus 15. So b is minus 15 upon minus 5, so b equal 3. Now we put this b equal 3 in equation second, we get value of a. Okay, simply we put place of b equal 3. Now a and b is not our answer. Our answer is what? X and y. So we let 1 upon x equal a in for starting of question. So what? 1 upon x equal, value of a is what? 2. So if we cross multiply, we get 2x equal 1. It means x equal half. Similarly 1 of y equal b we let in starting of question. So 1 upon y equal, value of b is what? 3. So we cross multiply, we get 3y equal 1. It means y equal 1 upon 3. That is x equal 1 upon 2 and y equal 1 upon 3 is our answer. So what we do, first we reduce this equation into linear form, then solve it. Again put value of a and b, we get value of x and y. Now I take question number 6, sub question of second of question first is 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal 2, and second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal minus 1. So here 1 upon root x is same and 1 upon root y also same. So I take 1 upon root x equal a and 1 upon root y equal b. Here simply 2 in numerator, okay. In first question 2 is denominator, so we write into upon form, okay. So here simply become 2 into value of 1 upon x is a. So 2a plus 3 into value of 1 upon root y is b. So 2a plus 3b equal to, this is our equation first. Similarly here 4 and value of 1 upon root x is a, minus 9 into value of 1 upon root y is b. So 4a minus 9b equal minus 1. This is our equation first and 2. We solve by using elimination method, okay. Elimination method. So we make coefficient of a is same. So we multiply this first equation by 4 and second by 2. So our required equation is 8a plus 12b equal 8 and 8a minus 18b equal minus 2. Now we change in simple, positive become negative, negative become positive and negative become positive. Here 8a minus 8a is 0, 12b plus 18b we get 30b, 8 plus 2 we get 10. So b is what? 10 upon 30, that is b equal 1 upon 3. Now we put value of b in equation first, we get value of a. So we put value of b in equation first, we get value of 3 to 3 cancel out, 2a plus 1 equal 2. So 2a equal 2 minus 1, so a equal what? 1 upon 2. So a and b are not our answer. We let 1 upon root x equal a. So 1 upon root x equal what? 1 upon 2. We let in first 1 upon root x equal a. So 1 upon root x equal value of a is half. So if we cross multiply, we get root x equal 2. Now we move this root x, so in RHS it makes square, so we get x equal 4. Similarly we let 1 upon root y, 1 upon root y equal 1 upon root y equal b. So what is value of b is 1 upon 3, okay. So this is root y equal 3, it means y equal 3 square, so we get y equal 9. So x equal 4 and y equal 9 is our solution. Now equation third, question number third is what? 4 upon x plus 3y equal 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y equal 23. So here only 1 upon x we let a, okay. Now we solve in a into b form, so also we write y equal b, okay. It means value of b is equal value of y. So first 1 upon x, it means 4 and value of 1 upon x is a. So simply this equation become 4a plus 3b equal 14. Now in second 3 or in 1 upon x is what? A. So 3a minus 4 and value of y is what? B equal 23. Simply from equation 1 and 2 by using elimination method, we multiply 3 in this equation and 4 in this equation. This is our two required equation. 12a plus 9b equal 42 and 12a minus 16b equal 92. So we change in simple, positive become negative, negative become positive and positive become negative. So 12a minus 12a become 0, 9b plus 16b we get 25b, 42 minus 92 we get minus 50 because negative value is bigger. So b is minus 50 upon 25, we get b equal minus 2. Now we put this b equal minus 2 in equation first, we get value of a. So 4a into 3 into y equal 14. So value of, b equal 14. So b is what? Minus 2. So 4a minus 6 equal 14. So 4a equal 14 plus 6. So 4a equal 20. It means a equal what? 20 upon 4. That is a equal 5. So now we find value of a and b. We put in, we let 1 upon x equal a. So 1 upon x equal 5. It means 5x equal 1. We cross multiply 5. So 5x equal 1. It means x equal what? 1 upon 5. And y equal what? We let b. So y is minus 2. That is x equal 1 upon 5 and y equal minus 2 is our solution. Now question 4 is 5 upon x minus 1 plus y upon y minus 2 equal 2 and 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon y minus 2 equal 1. Okay. So here 1 upon x minus 1 is same in both equation, and 1 upon y minus 2 also same. So we let 1 upon x minus 1 equal a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal b. So simply our equation is what? 5a plus b equal 2 and 6a plus 3b equal 1. This is our equation first and second. Now by using elimination method, solve first value of a and b, then put here we find value of x and y. Okay. So this is your homework. Also question number 7 and 8 is your homework. I convert into simple linear form. Okay. So 10 upon x plus y plus 2x minus y equal 4 and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal minus 2. So we let 1 upon x plus y equal a and 1 upon x minus y equal b. So our equation becomes 10a plus 2b equal 4 and 15a minus 5b equal minus 2. Here we find value of a and b, then again it's become in a linear equation of two variable. Then we solve this again, we use elimination method, then find value of x and y. Okay. So in this question number 7 and 8, elimination method 2 times apply होगी आपकी. Okay. First we find simply value of a and b, then again we put a and b in this equation, then both two equation become in linear equation of two variable, then we solve into simple form. Okay. So I convert also question number 8 into simple form of your linear equation. So now I let 1 upon 3x plus y equal a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal b. So simply your equation is what? A plus b equal 3 upon 4. Now this is not our linear equation, so we cross multiply. So 4a plus b equal 3. So 4a plus 4b equal 3. Now in second is what? This is our second, a upon 2. Okay, here 2 in denominator, so a upon 2 minus b upon 2 equal minus 1 upon 8. Now I simplify this equation. Now I take LCM of 2 and 2, we get 2. So a minus b equal minus 1 upon 8. So a minus b equal minus 2 upon 8. It means minus 1 upon 4. So now we multiply 4 into a minus b. It's become 4a minus 4b equal minus 1. Now by equation 1 and 2 we use elimination method to solve this equation. Then again this equation become pair of linear equation in two variable into x and y form. Then again we apply elimination method. Okay. Then we find value of x and y. So first we find value of a and b, then put here. Then we find two equation in the form of x and y. Again we use elimination method to solve it. Now question number 5. Question number 5 I do 7x minus 2y upon xy equal 5, and this pattern is changed, and 8x plus 7y upon xy equal 15. So how we convert into linear equation? See it. Now I separate this 7x upon x upon y and x and y, and minus 2y upon x into y equal 5. Okay, I do this. Now x to x cancel out, so simply y 7 upon y, here y to y cancel, simply 2 upon x equal 5. Now similarly in 8x plus 7y equal upon x plus x into y equal 15. Now also I separate it, 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy, here x to x cancel, simple 8 upon y plus y to y cancel, it becomes 7 upon x equal 15. Now here 1 upon y we let a and 1 upon x equal b. So it's become 7a. Okay, because 1 upon y is a, minus 2 and 1 upon x is b. So 7a minus 2b equal 5, and this is become 8a plus 7b equal 50. Now I solve from equation 1 and 2. I make coefficient same, so we multiply 8 in this equation and 7 in this equation. This is our two required equation. I change in symbol, positive become negative, positive become negative, also positive become negative. Now 56a minus 56a cancel out. minus 16b minus 49b, it's become minus 65b. Okay, here 40 minus 105, it's become minus 65. So b is minus 65 upon 65, we get b equal 1. Now I put b equal 1 in equation first, we get value of a. A is what? 1. So I let in starting of question 1 upon y equal a. So 1 upon y, value of a is what? A. It means simply y equal a. Similarly 1 upon x equal b. So 1 upon x, value of b is 1. So simply x we multiply, cross multiply, then we get value y, x equal 1 and y equal 1. Now question number 6 is also similar type of question. So I convert into convert into simple form. So 6x plus 3y equal 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal xy. So 6x plus 3y upon xy equal 6 and 2x plus 4y upon xy equal 1. Now also you separate 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy equal 6. Okay, doing similarly I use in question number 5, do same process. Okay, so this is your sub questions are complete of question first. Now I move to question number 2. This is your word problem based on reducing into linear equation of two variable. So question number 4, formulate the following problem as the pair of equation, hence find their solution. Okay, so first question is what? Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Okay, so in first case what? Ritu in downstream, it means its speed is high. One speed is in water also speed flow in this direction and Ritu also flow in same direction. In case second, this is our downstream. In upstream what? Current is flow in this direction and what? Ritu flow upstream in this direction. So what? Current direction and Ritu direction are opposite. It means it's negative. This case of upstream. So what I do? First I take speed of rowing in still water is x kilometer per hours. Okay, and speed of the current is y kilometer per hours. In case first, when Ritu row downstream. So downstream case what? We know that formula of time is what? Distance upon time. So Ritu takes 2 hours to find how many kilometer distance? 20 kilometer travel, and speed is what? X plus y. Why? Because in same direction in downstream, speed of current and speed of rowing is same. It means x plus y. Okay, now we cross multiply 2x plus y equal 20. So it become 2x plus 2y equal 20. Now we divide 2 by both sides, is become x plus y equal 10. In case 2, Ritu go upstream. It take 2 kilometer. Time is what? 2, and it cover only 4 kilometer distance. Here current speed and Ritu speed are negative direction. Okay, it means x minus y. Okay, so clear x plus y and x minus y concept. So now it's also we multiply this x minus y into 2, it's become 2x minus 2y equal 4. Now we divide by 2, it simply become x minus y equal 2. This is our equation first and this is our equation second. Now we solve simply equation 1 and y by elimination method. We get value of y equal 4. If we put this value in equation first, we get value of x. So speed of rowing in still water is 6 km per hour and speed of current is what? 4 km hour. This is our answer. So this type question is called word problem for reducing variable. Now question number 2 is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidering work in 4 days. Okay, 2 women and 5 men can together finish work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work. Okay, and also that taken by 1 man alone. Okay, so first we let one woman finish work in X days and one man finish work in Y days. So according to question, what question say? Two women, okay? Two women and five men. Two women and five men. W4 women and M4 men. They both are finished this work in 4 days, okay? So in first case, okay, woman and man case, what? One woman, 1 day work is what? 1 upon X, because X is work, so distance we use here, distance upon time formula. So one work is 1 upon X days. Similarly, two women work days is what? 2 upon X. Clear? So here, and one man work day work is 1 upon Y. Total work we take 1, okay? So in 1 days 1 upon Y, in 5 days is what? 5 upon Y. So according to question, what question said? 2 women. So 2 women 2 day work is what? 2 upon X, and 5 men 1 day work is 5Y. Then it's become 4. Then total work we take 1. It means कंप्लीट वर्क को आप क्या एज्यूम कर रहे हो? 100. जैसे आपके मार्क्स होते हैं ना 100 मार्क्स, सो 100 इज व्हाट? 100 अपॉन 100 वी फाइंड वैल्यू 100 upon 100, it means 1. It means your total work I take 1. So this equation become, I multiply 4 into this equation become 8 upon X plus 20 upon Y equal 1. Similarly, in case number second, 3 women and 6 men work together, then finish it 3 days, okay? So first I convert women and men. One woman 1 day work is what? 1 upon X. So 3 women 1 day work is what? 3 upon X. Now 1 man 1 day work is 1 upon Y. So 6 men 1 day work is what? 6 upon Y. So according to question, what? 3 women 1 day work plus 6 men they finish in 3 days, and total work is what? I take 1. So now we multiply 3 in this equation, it become 9 upon X plus 18 upon Y equal 1. So this is our equation first and second. So now first I reduce in linear equation, so I take 1 upon X equal A and 1 upon Y equal B. So simply this is our equation, 8A plus 20B equal 1 and 9A plus 18B equal 1. This is our equation third and fourth. Now in third and fourth we find value of A and B. So we make coefficient of A is equal. So this is our required equation, 72A minus 72A 0, 180B minus 144B we get 36B, and 9 minus 8 we get 1. So B is what? 1 upon 36. Now I put this value of B in equation third. So we get value of A. So value of A, 8A plus 20 into B, it means 1 upon 36 equal A. So A is what? इसको 4 के टेबल से कैंसल आउट कर दिया, 4 5 जा and 4 9 जा, so 5 upon 9. So 8 equal 1 minus, it move in RHS, it become negative. So we take LCM 9, so 9 minus 5, it's become 4 upon 8. Now 4 upon 9 into 8, because 8 is shift in RHS, it is goes to divide. So A is 4 upon 72. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 3 remaining, 4 8 ja 32. So A is 1 upon 18. That is 1 upon X equal A. So what? 1 upon X equal 1 upon 18. Value of A is what? 1 upon 18. So simply X equal 18. And 1 upon Y equal B, so 1 upon Y equal 1 upon 36, simply Y equal 36. So hence one woman can finish work in 18 days and one man can finish work in 36 days. Now this is last question of your exercise 3.6 is, Rohit travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. जो रोही है वो आपकी 300 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करती है. सम पार्ट शी ट्रेवल बाय ट्रेन एंड सम पार्ट शी ट्रेवल बाय बस. सो शी टेक्स 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. Okay, she takes 4 hours if she take 60 kilometer by train and remaining kilometer by bus. if she travel 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes larger. Okay, find the speed of train and bus separately. Okay, so first we let speed of train is x kilometer per hours and speed of bus is y kilometer per hours. In case first, she takes 4 hours. How many hours? 4 hours. Okay, if he start from A, so he takes 60 kilometers by train and remaining 240 by bus. Total distance is 3 kilometer. So what? 60 kilometer, but speed, time is what? Distance upon time. So distance is what? 60 kilometer by train. Train we let speed of train is x. So 60 upon x plus we use this formula. Okay, time equal distance upon speed. Now second, 240 kilometer by bus. So 240 distance, speed of bus is what? Y. So y, and total time it take is 4 hours. So 60 upon x plus 240 upon y equal 4. This is our equation first. Now in second case, she travel 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. Okay, so 100 kilometer travel by train and remaining by bus. So 100 upon x, this is distance and this is speed of train, plus to remaining 200 kilometer by bus and speed of bus is y. She take 10 minute larger. So it means in first case 4 hours take. So here 4 hours 10 minutes. So we simplify it, 4 plus 10 upon 60, because we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 4 plus 1 upon 6, we take LCM 6, so 24 plus 1 we get 25 upon 6 hours. So this is our equation first and this is our equation second. Now I let 1 upon x equal a and 1 upon y equal b put in equation 1 and 2. Simply this equation become 15a plus 60b equal 1 and this become simply 24a plus 48b equal 1. Okay, so from equation third and fourth we find value of a and b by using elimination method. So we multiply 24 in this equation and 15 in this equation. It simply become 360a plus 1440b equal 24 and second one is 360a plus 720b equal 15. Now change, positive become negative, positive become negative, positive become negative. So 360a minus 360a cancel out. 1440b minus 720 we get 720b and 24 minus 15 we get 9. So b equal 9 upon 720. We divide this by 9, so 9 1 ja 9 and 9 8 ja, it means 80. So b equal 1 upon 80. We put this value of b in equation third, we get value of a. So 15a plus 60 into b, it means 60 into 1 upon 80 equal 1. So 15b equal 3 upon 0 से 0 cancel, 2 3s are and 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 15 equal 1 minus 3 upon 4. 15 equal we take LCM as 4, so 4 minus 3 we get 1 upon 4. Simply a equal 1 upon 60. So 1 upon x is what? 1 upon x equal a. It means 1 upon x equal 1 upon 60, that is x equal 60, and 1 upon y equal b. So 1 upon y equal 1 upon 80. Simply y equal 80. Hence speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 80 km per hour. So this is our exercise 3.6 are completed. Okay student, and our chapter 6 is also complete. In we don't do 3.5 exercise because it's based on cross multiplication method. Okay, cross multiplication method. It is deleted from our new syllabus for session 2020-21. And if some words problem in 3.5 exercise, we use elimination method or substitution method to solve it. Okay, so our chapter number 3 is complete. In next video we will discuss about chapter number 4, which is based on quadratic equation. Thank you.